see, I've been working on this all stairs and landing, and it's this gap between the stringers and the wall that always goes. People make the mistake of putting caulk in there, which is all right for a while, but then it just, after time, it just cracks and crumbles and starts to come out. It's not looking very good, but we've found a product that is better than caulk, stays flexible, paintable, and that's what we use now. So I'll show you exactly what we use. First of all, we start by cutting the old caulk with a knife. Get that off. Using the trusty old Purdy multi-tool, fold. If you haven't got one, you need to get yourself one, because there you go, just folds in half, fits in your pocket. Great little tool, we love it. So there you go. Clean all that out. It's quite a satisfying job actually when you get it all out, especially when the paint comes up. So we'll clean that out, sand this down, and we'll go from there. There we go, that's quite a satisfying feeling that we've taken out all the caulk that was in this gap, sanded the top of the stringer off, and there we go, it's all cleaned off. A little bit of damage around the corner, but you can feel that. So we need to prime the tops of the stringer, and then we can put in the new caulk that stays flexible, moves to the staircase, moves to the wall, and it should stop all that. Let me show you. It should reduce or even stop that there. When you get that, it looks absolutely awful.
Do you want me to go down there and do the read for you? You just move your mouth, ready? You move your mouth. Right, so we're on the last stage doing these stringers. A lot of people caulk it with just normal Decorators caulk, but that tends to not really go that well because it goes a bit too hard and it ends up cracking when you get a little bit of movement on the stairs when they come stomping up and down. So what we use is this stuff called Isomat Flex PU40. It's really tough stuff. If you go to Isomat, you'll see them and they got this little display there you can play with. Really good stuff, really flexible, really strong. So we tend to put that in the stringers, but first a good idea is to warm it up in a bath of warm water.
A bath?
Just in the customer's sink. And yeah, that's what we use. So here we go, I'll give you a little look at how we do it.
Then the best thing to do is once you finish, just to wipe it over with a bit of turpy rag to just get rid of all the bits that are There you go. Clean your tools with the same bit of rag, and job done.
If you enjoyed this video, then maybe check this one out. If not, try this one.